Hi Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 14 of our Fit Body Challenge, which is actually rest day. This is the day when we get to relax, sit down, raise our legs, watch on our muscles and perhaps sip on some celery juice. So today I'm sipping on some celery juice made with carrots and pineapple. This really tastes good. I told you guys I'm addicted to celery juice. This stuff keeps me energized. I think it's because of the celery juice that I've actually been able to keep energized throughout this whole challenge. So I recommend you guys to start taking celery juice. If you don't know the benefits of celery juice, then please check out that video appearing in the video cards, which I made telling you about what happened to my body when I drank celery juice for 7 days and actually I got hooked. Celery juice is now part of me right now. Sorry about my kids in case you hear any loud noises in the background. They are very loud up there. But in today's chit chat video, I'm going to be talking about bad posture that you should stop today. And that includes slouching, hunching, crossing your legs and reading your gadget while you're bending your neck downwards like this, which I think you are actually doing right now. So I just want to tell you guys to always remind yourselves to sit up straight all the time, especially you guys who spend the whole day sitting down on your computers for long hours. It happens to me as well. I find myself hunching, you find yourself hunching, or you find yourself slouching, or you find yourself reading your phone downwards, or you find yourself crossing your legs. I even see some people who walk actually when they are hunching, with this sort of back. Please always remind yourself to keep up straight, because continuous bad posture can actually lead to health problems like long-term chronic pain, especially lower back pain. So some of you are always complaining about lower back pain, but it may most likely be due to bad posture. Bad posture can also lead to poor circulation, especially crossing your legs, because it causes increase of pressure in fluid movement, which causes back pain and spider veins. Bad posture can also cause increase in stress because it causes increase of cortisol, and it has also been reported to increase levels of testosterone. Bad posture can also cause carpal tunnel syndrome, which causes muscles to be tight, and it can cause numbness and tingling pains in the body. Bad posture can also lead to poor digestion, especially slouching and hunching. This is because they cause organs to bunch up and affecting digestion, which leads to constipation, which in the end will affect your weight loss, and it also affects your metabolism. Bad posture will cause you fatigue, because when you have bad posture, your body tends to work harder than it should be working, which will always leave you feeling sloppy, feeling tired, feeling unenergized, And lastly, bad posture can also lead to reduction in your height over periods of time. In fact, it can also hinder you from attaining your maximum height. So teach your kids to always keep the right posture as well, especially reading on your gadgets when you're facing downwards. It really puts a lot of pressure on your neck and shortens your spine. Hunching, just look at this. All this in the long run will affect your height. So every time you find yourself in a situation of a bad posture, always tell yourself to sit up straight. I always tell myself that all the time. So my beloved Fit Fam, I hope after this video you're going to be more cautious about your posture. And if it is difficult for you to be cautious about your posture, you can always buy one of those posture corrector bracelets. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Invite them to come over to join us in our Fit Body Challenge, and also tell them to correct their bad posture. You never know what health problems you would be saving them. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.